How to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and log into your account. Then, on left side, you'll find more option below trash. In here, you'll find trash. Click on trash and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you have your deleted mail here, simply click on it and restore. If you don't find it, go to Google and search Gmail messages are missing. Then click on computer one, scroll all the way down, click on most of my emails are missing. Then it will show you all these reasons. If this reasons does not help you, simply click on we can help find your missing emails and secure your account. After that, you're good to go. That's how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.